Hi, and welcome to Zillow Data Exporter. Zillow Data Exporter is a free extension that allows you to export listings from Zillow. If you haven't installed Zillow Data Exporter, you can head directly to the Chrome store and type in Zillow Data in the search bar. You should then see the Zillow Data Exporter extension come up in the search result. Once you click on it, you should see a button that says Add to Chrome. Now, I've already done that, so I don't need to do it again. But if you haven't, just click the button and the process should be done very quickly. Once that's done, you can go directly to your extension tab, which is right there. And you can see that Zillow Data Exporter has been installed. You can click the pin button here or unpin it so that it actually appears at the top for easier access. Once you're done with that, head back to Zillow. Make sure you reload the page. Sometimes after a new extension is installed, everything needs to be reinitialized. So that's just to avoid any further issues. To make sure everything is working as intended, go to your extension tab, and you should see that Zillow Data Exporter is installed and that there are no errors. If you see an error happening here, you should be able to click on the error button, and then you should see a clear button that will be on the top right. In our case, we're lucky. There was no error this time. But just so you know, if it does happen, it's completely normal. In any case, let's go back to Zillow. Once you're on Zillow, you can search for the location you're interested in. In my case, I picked Chicago, but you can choose any other location as you please. Today, we're going to be looking at exporting rental listings from Chicago. So in this case, I will click the For Rent button and then click Done. And we can see that the listings have actually changed. You can choose the home types. Let's go with just houses today and see what happens. Then it's very simple. Now you've got your search, you've selected your category, and Zillow Data Exporter is installed. You should be able to click on the icon, and then you should be able to choose which format you prefer. Some people prefer CSV or Excel, depending on what you want to do with the data. Let's go with Excel today. We press the button, and Zillow Data Exporter goes through each and every listing and tries to extract as much data as possible. And we're done. As you can see, we just had a file that has been downloaded automatically once the export process was done. If you click on that file, it should be open in a software that may not look like mine currently because I'm on Mac. I will just format this a little bit more so we can actually explore the data. Here we go. So this is what we just got from Zillow Data Exporter. We have the URL, the property type, the address, the city, the state, the zip code, the country, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the rental price, the size, and obviously what the size unit is. In our case, it will be square feet. And we also do a little bit of calculation for you, where we actually calculate how much does it cost to rent 1 square feet in USD, which is quite nice to be able to compare different properties. Now, obviously, this data may not be complete all the time, depending on what Zillow gives us. Sometimes the beds or the bathrooms or even the price can be missing. It's entirely up to Zillow to display this data, and if the data is not present, Zillow Data Exporter is simply not able to extract it, unfortunately. As you can see, it's a very simple and straightforward process. I hope that this helps you, whether you're looking for a new place to rent or simply looking out for new investment properties. If you have any questions or feedback, you can reach me out at zillowdataexporter.com/contact. This will send me an email, and then I will respond to you, usually within 24 hours. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer depending how busy I am. But I try to answer to everyone and anyone, so if you have any questions, once again, please contact me. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. I hope you have a great day/evening. Bye-bye.